Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a very practical accessory for anyone who owns the new DJI Avata 2 drone. This is a hard-carrying case specifically designed to protect and transport the drone body itself, along with two of the Avata 2 intelligent flight batteries. Right away, you can see this case is built with the Avata 2 in mind. The interior features a hardcover with precise cutouts. These aren't just generic foam shapes. They're specifically sized to snugly fit the Avata 2 drone body and those two extra batteries. This tailored fit is crucial because it prevents the drone and batteries from shifting around inside the case during transit. That lack of movement is key to ensuring security and preventing potential damage from shaking or bumping. The case offers comprehensive preservation. The shell itself is designed with impact resistance, which is a major plus when you're traveling or just moving the drone around. It also boasts dust-proof and semi-waterproof performance. While you wouldn't want to submerge it, it provides a good level of protection against splashes or light rain and keeps dust and dirt away from your valuable equipment. This combination of features means the case offers robust protection against shock, scratches, and general dirt, keeping the Avata 2 and its batteries in pristine condition. Looking at the materials, the case is constructed from high-quality fabric. This material is described as durable and wear-resistant, suggesting it will hold up well over time and through various travel conditions. It also feels comfortable to the touch, which is a nice detail. The zipper mechanism is designed for ease of use, allowing you to open or close the case smoothly and without fuss, which is important when you need quick access or secure closure. One of the standout features is its portability. This case has a portable design, meaning it's relatively small and light, making it ideal for travel. Its compact size allows it to be easily stored inside a larger backpack or a travel bag. This means you can conveniently take your Avata 2 and essential batteries with you wherever you go, whether it's a trip to a flying spot or a longer journey. It's designed to be easy to carry anywhere you need your drone. In summary, what you get is one portable carrying case specifically tailored for the DJI Avata 2 drone body and two batteries. It provides a secure, protective, and highly portable solution for transporting these essential components. The precise fit, durable materials, and protective features like impact resistance and dust-proofing make it a solid choice for keeping your Avata 2 safe on the go.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.